So to do this experiment, all you need is a glass of water, a glass of wine, and a piece of card. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take the piece of card, we're going to place it on top of the glass of water, and then very carefully we're going to flip it upside down and place it on top of the glass of wine. There you go. Now, make sure that the two glasses are lined up, because the next stage is the tricky part. What we need to do is to carefully slide out some of our bit of card to create a gap, so then we get a fluid exchange between the two glasses. There we go. So what's kind of happening is our wine is moving up into the water and our water is moving down into the wine. The reason this is happening is because water and wine have two different densities. Water has a larger density than the wine, which means it's sinking down, and because the wine is lighter than the water, it is moving up. Now all we have to do for the rest of the experiment is wait. So that is how you can turn water into wine. Cheers!